Today I'm going to be making some fresh milled sourdough tortillas. This is a recipe that our family has been loving. I usually do a double batch of these to get us through the week. You can use them for everything from peanut butter and jelly roll-ups to quesadillas to breakfast burritos, and they are so healthy and delicious. You can really use any type of grain. I have been using a hard white wheat or a mixture of hard and soft white wheat. You can start this recipe with sourdough starter that is active or sourdough starter that is in its discard form. I usually just use whatever I have on hand. I have found that the key to making really successful sourdough fresh milled flour tortillas is to make sure you roll out your tortillas really, really thin. I don't have a tortilla press, so I use my rolling pin and just make sure that I roll the tortilla out until it's almost see-through. You want it just so paper thin. That creates a much more flexible, soft tortilla versus more of a cracker-like tortilla. Another key is that I use a piping hot cast iron skillet and I only cook it for about 10 to 15 seconds per side before I flip it. This is how you get that really soft but with dark spots on it tortilla that's really flexible and perfect for tacos or whatever you want to use it for.